I worked at a CIBC in Chicago as an equity research intern. One of the great things about a Bentley education is that you're not scared to go and find opportunities. I saw the posting online and I reached out. I sent them a stock pitch and they were impressed and they wanted to have a conversation. Everything that I learned about finance was from the professors and from my peers. Bentley gave me the confidence to form an opinion about stocks and businesses and to communicate those ideas and discuss them with others. And Chicago was fun because you're starting from zero. You're building new relationships with other portfolio managers, other investors, other equity research analysts, and forming a network outside of my Boston-based relationships. Over the course of the summer, I had the opportunity to work on nearly a dozen stock pitches across multiple sectors, where I analyzed the business, forecasted earnings. There's something special about the way that a Bentley student carries themselves and is able to communicate that. One of the things that I realized this summer was how comfortable you have to be with uncertainty. You're recommending something with potentially billions of dollars behind it, and you feel that impact. One of the best things about my internship this summer was that I got to work with everyone at the firm. I had access to all of the portfolio managers and the analysts. For my first day at Bentley, I knew that I wanted to be an equity research analyst. This summer provided further conviction that this is what I want to spend my career doing, and I'm confident that I'm going to enter the industry from a place of strength